The sun is shining and the birds are chirping here at Fountain Hills. We welcome you on this Sunday morning to our broadcast. I am Chip Conway, and sitting next to me is my companion from across the pond, Niles Taylor. Stacy Kennedy will also be joining to share her perspective for the gallery as well. Let's get down to the action on hole number 5.
He has his hybrid out, well over 200 yards to the green still, so he's probably looking to lay up in front of the green and then get up and down from there.
Well, he did lay up right in front of the pond.
I don't think that was his intended landing spot.
You could see Blas rocking his Sunday best. I wonder if those are stonewashed.
Maybe he's going to a monster truck rally later. Sunday, Sunday, Sunday.
Hey, can you do me a favor?
What's up?
Never do that again.
Sure.
Let's see what Kuko can do with a similar shot.
I bet he's going to take this shot just to the right of that tree, like 6 inches or so, and roll right onto the front of the green.
Or not.
I'm sure he's not happy with that one, but at least he's dry.
Wind has not really been a factor out here today, and if it were, it would not stand a chance against Kuko's ensemble.
It's actually an ultra-lightweight material that fits loose and really allows him to be fluid with his swing, as you could tell from his last shot.
Looks like Blahat is away.
If he could stop his club head from opening on this one, he might have a good chance of getting up and down here.
Looking online, but I don't think he's going to have enough loft and the ball will roll through the green.
Yeah, that's going to be a tough one from that position.
Next up, Kuko.
Notice how he's getting himself lined up by resting that shaft against his hips. If you noticed, he's swaying oh so softly, really enjoying the moment and getting into his flow.
Looking good. Should bounce right in front and roll on. Yes. A look at scores 2-4. Oh man, the guys are not exactly lighting it up out there.
Is that a ton? That's gotta be a mistake.
Unfortunately, these scores are real.
That's more swings than there are holes on this course.
Stacy chatted with the boys before the round. Let's listen to what she has to say.
When I asked Blaha what motivates him to keep coming out to the course, he said, if I wasn't out here, my wife would find some random task for me to work on. I might end up getting stuck watching a Lifetime movie about a woman and a nesting duck. On the other hand, Kuko is driven by the pursuit of perfection, feeling each visit brings him closer to his goal.
Pretty lofty goal for Kuko.
Indeed. Maybe focus on hitting the ball properly before embarking on an impossible journey.
Back to the green. Looks like Kuko's lining up for his putt.
Yeah, you could see him counting the number of steps from the hole to his ball, so he knows the distance. Smart.
Here comes Blaha strolling in.
Or was he walking up with just his putter? He's going to turn right around and head back for an iron to chip with, because there is no way a putter is going to work here.
Looks like he's going to give it a go.
He has taken a horrible line on top of his brilliant club choice. This will end badly.
Well, you were right. That ended badly. He barely even hit that.
Maybe his fancy jeans are restricting his movement.
I am told that Stacy has something for us.
I don't know if you noticed, but when Kuko was gauging his distance for his putt, he started counting his steps about 4 inches from the hole. I hope that doesn't come back to bite him.
The line looks good. Will it have delaying? Ugh. Gotta be frustrating.
Wait, did he just shoot him or gabbing it?
Yeah, I think he did.
I'd be careful if I was him. This is the Southside of Chicago, after all.
Alsip.
Close enough.
Just a little tap in to finish up. I'm being told we are losing signal shortly, as some genius forgot to charge the drone before the hole. It's been a pleasure. Please like and share this video and subscribe to this channel.